it's essential to recognize that exclusivity has a consequence. And very quickly, if you constantly seek for exclusivity, you're going to encounter limitations and restrictions without question. And there's definitely a very big chance of codependence and an enmeshment, an entrapment of potential and of growth. Because the codependence means that the other cannot function properly. It has to compromise itself in order to give more to this party who's not doing well. So I'm codependent on you because you must make me better. That's when it becomes an obligation and a conformance. So stifling personal growth and exploration also, because exclusivity is not going to offer you much of an adventure. Not much is happening in exclusivity. It's a very dull place. And there are most definitely unhealthy dynamics and power struggles. Because there's always a power struggle where there's a need for control and where there's one fighting to have the control. And what the control really is to have the last say. You know, the way I say it, that's the way it happens. And it's not wrong, because you want it to be like that in your dimension, but you need to be considerate of people that you bring into your dimension. You can't bring people into your dimension and just expect them to obey to this exclusivity that is your dimension. If you bring them in, you also have to consider that they have needs. Even if they are in your dimension, they also have needs and they also have rights. So it's essential to get to a place where you're going to be in a state of respect, and to honor the balance, the equal exchange of energy between the comfort of exclusivity, because exclusivity gives you the illusion of comfort. But you don't want to be in a state of comfort. You want the freedom. You want the freedom to grow. You want to learn. You want to connect with others. You want to experience life. And even if you do it on your own, even if you do it alone, even if you do it by being alone, I spend a lot of time at home, and I'm still learning and growing and connecting with others and doing things. And there's healthy exchanges that allow for mutual support, for trust and for respect.